AstraDex.in. Search it in Google. You can get our website. Now, top right corner having the login button, click it and click student. This is for already registered student. If you're not registered, click register here option there and you can get this portal where you are going to type your full name at the first space bar and you are going to type your correct email address in the second space bar and you are going to select your grade and as well as you are going to type your school name. At last, enter your correct mobile number. Now I am giving send OTP. It's showing error because mobile number will be in digits. Don't enter your random numbers like this because you won't get OTP. Your email address and mobile number should be correct and then you can get your OTP. So now I am going to enter my actual mobile number and email address to get OTP. Now mail address. Yeah, now I am giving send OTP. Yeah, I got the OTP. Now I am pasting here. Verify OTP. Yeah, it's verified successfully. Now we need to set the password. Password must contains 8 plus characters, one uppercase, one lowercase, one symbol, and one number for keeping a strong password. Remember your password while logging in your portal of AstraDex. Register and submit. Registering. Yeah, now you are registered as a student. Now keep your same mail address at the email address spacebar and your password just now you created while registering. Keep the same password here and click login. You will get a page containing all courses offered by AstraDex. So now I am selecting class 12 CBSE board yearly section where I am going to select physics. Enroll now. Yeah, here you can see the free demo lesson for 12th physics. You can watch here and the curriculum outline of NCRT 12th physics will be there as well as our expert. And you can click watch intro to know about our expert. Every details will be popped up. Now I'm going to change to monthly as well as yearly. You can see the difference in the INR. Now enroll. Yeah, you are seeing a referral code that is optional. If you are referred by your friend, keep your friend's referral code there and click apply to get some offers. If you are not referred by anyone, no problem. That is optional. Directly go and click pay and enroll. So I'm clicking. We will go to redirect it into a payment gateway where you have a UPI option, QR code, as well as you can use cards. You can use net banking as per your flexibility. But my recommendation is go with UPI QR. After the payment processing, you will be redirected to your dashboard. And in your dashboard, you will find a referent earn section where You will find out your referral code. Just copy it and send to your friend. This page is for to refer your friend, and referral reward guide will be there. Just refer it. How much will be your earnings? And by pasting that code in payment section, your friend will be referred and you will be gained with earnings.